Okay, what do you do when a tree sprouts up in one of your bushes or shrubs? How do you get rid of it? So right here we've got a hackberry seedling that has sprouted in this big nandina bush. Now normally what I would do is dig this out, but it is so intertwined with the roots of the nandina that digging it out is not possible. And if we were just to cut this off, it would just re-sprout and it would keep getting stronger. The root would keep getting stronger. Sorry about the wind chime. It's very loud. It's not eerie music. It's just very windy today. Well, this is going to be a job for poison. In this case, we're using Tordon RTU, which is pichlorum and 2,4-D. This is a stump killer. I'm going to show you how to use this without hurting the plant that it's growing near. First step is just to cut it off. So we're going to cut it off right there at the base and get rid of it. I'll cut off this side shoot too. Then we're gonna just carefully take this bottle of Tordon and we're just gonna apply it to that fresh cut. It's important that you put the poison on right away, just like that, on the fresh cut so that it can get absorbed into that root. And this way it's not going to damage the plant that it's growing near. There's actually another one right here, so we're gonna do the same thing to this one. So yeah, if you're in a situation where you are cutting off trash trees or trees on a fence line and you're not able to dig the roots out, these poisons are very handy for keeping them from continually re-sprouting. You just cut them, apply this, and you're done.